Hello viewers, welcome to today's episode. We have to teach you about production. As we said earlier, there are some things you need to use for the production. For instance, if you want to, for those that want to engage in production, you have to be guided. But you have to guide yourself very well to avoid getting wounded with chemical, because there are some chemicals that are toxic. Some chemical, if they touch you, it will spare your body. So if you are doing chemical production, you have to be very careful and mind what you are doing. Not when you are doing chemical, when you are producing something, you'll be talking and be doing other things. So you need to be focused. So some of the things you need to have, for instance, is what we call masks. Use this thing to protect yourself against inhaling bad toxic things. It will protect you. Use it to cover your nose very well. It's very important. It will protect you. Another one is this one is glove. You have different type of glove. This one is you can use this one. You can wear it when you want to start production. It will protect you in case if something spill out of control. Maybe you want to handle something and something fell out of your hand. It will make that thing not to hit your hand directly. Very important. Secondary, another thing I want to talk is about measurements. Measurement in production is very important. Measurement, you cannot do without measurement. So measurement, for instance, if you want to do 20 liters of shower gel, or 20 liters of liquid soap, or 1 kg of tablet soap, or half kg of tablet soap, even those that want to do gel, for instance, Vaseline, those that want to do production of Vaseline, there are some items and there is a quantity you need to mix together. If the other one is bigger than the other one, or if the something is not what it's supposed to be, it will not give you a good item. It will not give you the production will not be nice. So the essence of having good knowledge of measurement is very important and cannot be overemphasized. For instance, there is a lady that came to my